This is the OE Mars 1. Designed to fit into and enhance every space, the Mars 1 audio system has been engineered to complement and improve your quality of living. An advanced device that fills your life with high-fidelity music rather than filling up your home with expensive clutter. No longer must you tolerate cumbersome traditional hi-fi systems, nor endure other wireless speakers' mediocre sound quality. The Mars 1 has been meticulously engineered to provide comparable sonic fidelity to devices twice its size and 3 times its price. Numerous technical advancements, such as a 360-degree omnidirectional ribbon tweeter, the 360-degree median speaker, a newly designed long-stroke woofer, and a high-power digital amplifier were employed to achieve these uncompromising results. The Mars 1 is also easily controlled with your phone when a quieter approach is needed. Multiple connectivity options, paired with cutting-edge technology that brings you lossless audio, gives you the best sound, no matter your music streaming service. And a 4-layer piano lacquer finish ensures that the Mars 1 will be a beautiful addition to your home. Bring the highest quality 360-degree audio experience into your home by backing us today. Thank you.
Don't just listen to your music, experience it with TiVo Max, a better kind of Bluetooth speaker that connects your world and showcases your style on top of earth-moving sound. Create and display GIFs, animations, and other graphics on a panel with 256 programmable LEDs in 16 million colors. Never miss an alert with a dazzling notification center. Match TiVo Max to your personality and let the world see your style. Upload your creations to the TiVo Pixel Art Gallery. And share your work with pixel art fans around the world. And enjoy better sleep with TiVo Max's alpha wave white noise tracks and soothing light waves. Don't let your Bluetooth speaker be a black spot in your life. Light up your audio with TiVo Max.